Now you can embed your interactive design anywhere. Figma site, Webflow, Framer, Tilda, and other platforms. Or simply send it to your developer. They can add the code directly into the project. How does it work? Let's break it down using Figma site as an example. You create an animation. This feature is currently available in the Shapelax plugin, but soon will support other plugins too. Parallax, Physics Animation, Shape Move, SVG Motion. Open the Shapelax plugin. Then you click the To Figma Site Publish button. You get an iframe code. Just copy it. Go to Figma site. Click Insert. Select Embeds. Set the desired size. In the Embed settings, switch to HTML. Paste the copied code. Click Play. Done! Your design is now interactive. The easiest and fastest way to add interactive animation to your website. Forget about developers taking weeks to build what you need. Now you can add stunning animations yourself in just a few clicks. No code, no hassle. This approach also saves a lot of money by cutting down on unnecessary development. And if you need to make changes, you won't need a developer for that either. Cool visual effects aren't just about looks. They boost user loyalty and make clients happy. If you're working in a team, you can simply pass the ready-made iframe to your developer. They'll just drop it into their code. You can add it to Framer too. Click Insert, Utility, Embed. In the settings, select HTML. Paste the iframe from the plugin. Hit play, and the animation works. These animations are also very lightweight, so they load quickly on your website. And since they're vector-based, they can be scaled without losing quality, always sharp and crisp. If you're experiencing an issue where an interactive iframe placed in the background becomes unresponsive when you hover over other elements layered on top of it, here's the solution. Go to Site Settings, open the General tab, and find the Custom Code section. Paste the following script into the end of field. You'll find the link to the code in the description below this video. After that, publish your site. Now, any elements overlapping the iframe will no longer block its interactivity. Important: this script only works after the site is published. Unfortunately, it doesn't apply within the Figma prototype itself. Hopefully, Figma will fix this in the future. Bonus tip: this same method also helps synchronize animation across multiple iframes. For example, if you have several interactive animations on a page, they'll all respond to mouse movement simultaneously. Without this script, each iframe only reacts to cursor movement within its own area. Export to iframe is already available in Shapelax. Coming soon to Parallax, Physics Animation, Shape Move, and SVG Motion. Try it out now. It's easier than you think. Just install the Shapelax plugin and follow us on Instagram for updates.